Oh no, it's gone. Is that what you say every payday? I hear you. So many times, most all of us have just been living paycheck to paycheck. Or just when we have some money put aside in the savings, it seems like something happens. Whether it be vet bills, which is what we've been going through, or whether it be something happened to a car, now you have car payments to get things fixed. You know, there's always something, isn't there? So I'm going to tell you what I did to make extra income that has been a game changer in the hopes that it can help you and give you the solution that you're looking for. A few months ago, I came across a program for digital marketing. Now, I'd already been looking into other programs for quite some time. I almost purchased some, and I'm so glad that this is the program that I ended up purchasing because it has not only brought in income, substantial income, and pretty darn quickly, but the skills that I've been learning in this program, you guys, they've been actually kind of overwhelming. There's so many resources because this is not a course. This is a live community where I am constantly learning, and the program is just full of trainings, either the video modules or the live trainings that we have on how to use social media, digital marketing, how to sell digital products. In fact, this program comes with 4 digital products that you can sell at 100% commission because they're master resale rights, and that means you own them when you buy this program. So what's a digital product? Some of you have been asking me. A digital product is anything that you can download off the internet. So an audio book, or if you're downloading an ebook or a PDF file, or printables, anything like that, it's a digital product. So that's pretty cool. What that means is when you get into this program, there's 4 different programs you can come in at. You can actually resell the same program that you're learning from and make 100% commission, which is a lot different than network marketing, which is what I've been in, which is where you only get a small percentage, right? 25% maybe, and that's it. You don't make any more money off of that. This is not an MLM. This is not network marketing. You don't have uplines, sidelines, downlines. You don't cold call. You utilize the trainings to promote these products online, but also what you learn in this program can help you leverage an existing business you may already have. So I have friends who are utilizing all the skills they're learning in this program so that they can actually grow their business that they have already, right? And I'm using the skills in this program to pursue my passions with my cooking channel, my cookbooks, my gardening. I have so many other things that I want to do. Ebooks, like there's just so many things, and I was missing the pieces on how to properly market, how to find my ideal customer, how to utilize social media to get sales, how to even create these products. So everything is in these programs, you guys, and it is absolutely amazing. Every week we have free webinars, there's tech support, there's a huge community of 48,000 people. You guys, it's growing so fast because so many people are not only finding success with this program, but they're actually learning so many skills that's helping them in so many ways, building communities, creating courses. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is absolutely legit. It's not a program to sell a program to sell a program. You have all the trainings that anybody can do. You don't have to be tech savvy. I've got some very dear friends who are not tech savvy doing this program, learning the program, and taking everything in it to apply it to their goals, their needs, their desires, so that they can live the life that they want to live. And for me, I've already gotten my time back. I used to work 12, 14-hour days, and this program teaches you how to work a 2-hour day using everything that they teach you, and it's been so wonderful. This past week, I spent time with friends. I went out for lunch. I went and painted ceramics with one of my girlfriends. How many years has it been since we did ceramics, right? It was so much fun. And then we had lunch, and it's just been, oh, and let me backtrack. That same day when I was out having lunch, doing ceramics, and enjoying time with my friend, I actually made $1,200. And I wasn't even sitting at my computer. It's because this program teaches you how to have an automated business so that it's working for you 24/7 behind the scenes. It's pretty awesome. If you have questions or want to know more, just comment down below. I'll be happy to send you the same blueprint that I got, that I'm following, that I'm plugging into. And this is something that anybody can do. This is something that will help you cover your bills, put your money back in your savings, put some money aside for retirement, which is what my husband and I are doing, and get your time and freedom back and the peace of mind knowing you don't have to worry about how you're going to pay your bills. So with that being said, my friends, I hope that answers some questions. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.